Good morning and a warm welcome. This is Holly, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. The S&P ASX 200 is lower this morning, having dropped 0.49% overnight. The bottom-performing stocks in this index are Unibail Rodamco Westfield, which is down by 4%, and Janus Henderson, which has slipped 3.58%. Over the past week, the index has gained 2.13%, but is still lower by 10.44% so far this year. The sectors are mixed today, with 7 of 11 lower, along with the S&P ASX 200. But Australian Real Estate Investment Trust is the best performer, gaining 0.91% today and 1.21% over the past 5 days. And looking towards today's top gainers on the index, Pointsbet is up 3.3%, while Zipco is up as well 3.29%, and Evolution Mining has inched up 2.7%. Nanosonics as well is up 2.63%, and carsales.com has climbed 2.5%. Meanwhile, on the flip side, the stocks in the red include Allkem, which is down 3.2%, Abacus Properties down as well 2.94%, and Aurora has slid 2.71%. Now looking at some stocks making a buzz today in the opening session, energy player AGL Energy has announced that a subsidiary of Brookfield Asset Management has acquired over 17.2 million shares on June 24, which is a 2.56% stake in the company. And in response to this, shares of AGL are currently trading 1.01% higher during the opening session. Moving along, a cloud-focused tech company MOQ and Artura announced today that they have executed a scheme implementation deed, under which Artura will acquire 100% of the fully diluted share capital in MOQ. And meanwhile, MOQ shareholders will receive total consideration of 5 cents in cash per share, subject to all applicable conditions. And the offer values the company at approximately $15.5 million. Shares of MOQ are trading at 4.8 cents during the opening session. And then finally, Irongate Group security holders voted in favour of the Charter Hall and PGGM acquisition of the company. The proposal remains subject to the second court hearing scheduled for next Tuesday, and if successful, is set to be implemented in mid-July. Following its completion, Irongate will have approximately $164 million in cash, equivalent to 75 cents per security. Shares of Irongate are trading 0.16% lower during the opening session. Now to some important economic shifts happening around the world. Battery-grade lithium carbonate prices in China just traded at under $75,000 per ton. This marked an increase of around 400% in the past year, which has encouraged suppliers to boost production. That is a wrap for the early trades, though. Stay tuned for more on Kalkine TV. We've got lots of shows lined up for you today. I'm Holly Shields signing off.